Hi, I'm Bhagyashree Jain, founder and CEO of the Disposal Company.
Really glad to have you here. How has your day been so far here at GIM?
It's been a great day. I am amazed at the inquisitiveness of students here and just their sheer eagerness to learn. It's been a brilliant day for me.
Really glad to hear that. As a founder and CEO of Disposal Company, what actually motivated you to get into waste management and sustainability?
So there were two things. First was on a very personal front. So my mother was battling breast cancer at the time, and like in one of the talks with the doctors, we got to know that the plastic around us has gotten so much into the air, and that's one of the factors that actually is propagating cancer more and more in humans. So it really became a personal struggle, and I just wanted to work on it and help solve the problem as much as I could. On the professional front, because I was also working with the Delhi government at the time, so this was a challenge that we were looking at for every citizen in the city. So the huge landfills had anyway become a trouble. They've always been, and it was high time that we really worked and did something that could help solve this issue.
Definitely. What advice would you like to give to the startups that are getting into sustainability? Like, what are the steps that they should first focus on?
So, the steps that they should focus on should be just the market understanding, more and more research, because every day there are new tools and new ways that are emerging for making brands sustainable, for making companies sustainable. So, if you're going to be either like a service company or if you're going to create a product, just talk to more and more people. What do they need? And what do they mean by sustainability? How do they see it? And second advice would be you're going to need a lot of patience because it's not easy. It's still in a place where people are adopting to sustainability, where they're learning that they might have to pay a premium for it. So it's going to be a long journey, but it'll be well worth it.
One piece of advice that you would like to give to the students of GIM?
I mean, you're gonna just approach workforce now. It's going to be a brand new journey. Have that enthusiasm. Keep this eagerness to learn in you, because you will have to learn a lot, and you will realize that what you learned in textbooks, it's not always what you will end up doing. So yeah, and just take on more and more responsibility. Be the first to show up. So it is going to go a long way.
Thank you so much. This would actually help a lot. Thank you.